G'day guys, welcome back to Pete's Investing. It's February 9, 2024. This is the natural gas price update, along with some ETFs including BOIL, UNG and KOLD. Looks like we're still in a very bearish outlook so far for natural gas. Looks like it's crapped itself more than what it did previously, and it's broken down past the previous support levels. There is a divergence still in play, so just watch out for that. But again, overall the trading is to be going short. I've got a couple of trading ideas for you as well at the end of the video. So first we'll look at the natural gas commodity price. You can see here it's got the weekly, daily and hourly, and I'll go through these really quickly for those especially new to the channel. On the weekly we've got the ADX 25 down here. It's showing us a bullish direction, a bearish direction. The CCI 400, it's also bearish, and the CCI 150 is trending in line with the price and no divergence. There were a couple of divergences back there and it's fallen off. On the daily, we've got still a bearish outlook on the ADX, bearish on the CCI 400, and the CCI 150 is also trading in line with the price, so getting lower lows. And again, you see a bearish divergence back here, and the price fell off as well, so always keep track of those. And on the hourly, likewise, we've got a bearish divergence, a bearish trend on the ADX, bearish on the CCI 400. We've got a bullish divergence on the CCI 150. You can see there that's still maintaining itself above the entry level back there. Hasn't broken down to that side, even though the price has gone lower. So on that basis, we're going to move that trend line there on the CCI 150, and on the price, we're going to drop that down to there. So that's actually our new level for a potential bounce. Now again, I'd like to see this bounce past and break up past this previous high, and we also want to see the CCI break much higher, but I wouldn't be going long until we get a much more aggressive bullish mode, especially on the daily, before I take any long trades on the hourly. That's my personal opinion, but again, you can do what you want, but I'm just giving you my personal opinion in terms of where I trade, long or short. At the moment, primarily short, but again, just be careful of this bullish divergence. Also got to look out for the next one on the list. We've got the ProShares Ultra DJ UBS. That's BOIL. This is showing a bearish ADX, bullish on the CCI 400 on the weekly, and we've got a bullish divergence on the weekly as well, although I'm not going to project that yet. I'm just going to leave it as is. We've got a bearish outlook on the ADX on the daily, bullish on, again, another bullish divergence on the daily CCI 400. I've got a small bullish divergence here on the CCI 150, and again you can see that's dropped lower than where it was yesterday. And on the hourly, again bearish on the ADX, bearish on the CCI 400, and that also is showing a bullish divergence on the CCI 150 with a much deeper decline on the price. Next we've got United States Natural Gas Fund, UNG, bearish on the ADX, bearish on the CCI 400, and pretty much flat. Probably a slight bullish momentum on bullish divergence on the CCI 150 versus lower lows on the price. Bearish on the daily ADX, somewhat neutral to bearish on the CCI 400, and I've got actually that's now, I'm going to delete that divergence because that's actually broken. Well, maybe I'm going to keep that in there as a double bottom. You can see there that's pretty much flat at the moment, so I want to keep that in there. And that's still valid down to that point there as a bullish divergence. Only when it breaks much lower, I'm going to invalidate it. So at the moment, I'll keep that in there as a bullish divergence. On the hourly, bearish on the ADX, bearish on the CCI 400, and that's also, you can see that it's broken below the previous lows possibly, or it's a bit hard to tell on that one. Let me just maximize. You can see there it's broken below the previous low down there, so that's invalidated that divergence. So that's now playing in line with the price action. And lastly, we've got ProShares Ultra Short Bloomberg Natural Gas, which is KOLD, bullish on the weekly ADX, bullish on the CCI 400, and you can see there the CCI 150 is moving in line with the price, bullish on the daily ADX, bullish on the CCI 400, and that's still a bearish divergence. So that is still lower than that entry point, even though we've made new highs on the price. So that's still a bearish divergence. And we've also got a bullish trend on the ADX on the hourly, bullish on the CCI 400, and that I'm going to consider that as a flat move, a double top if you like. I'm slightly bullish, but I'm going to keep it as a double top for now, and still a bearish divergence possibly, and that's still giving us new highs in the price. So overall, bearish on the natural gas fund, with the exception of this particular ETF or stock. So let's go look at a potential trading idea now. We've got the on the daily. I showed you an hourly trade yesterday. Let's look at the daily chart. So what I want to do here is put on a zero lag indicator. That's available in most charting software packages. And because we're going short primarily, I'm going to show you the short entry strategy. Now let me go back to the natural gas fund. So it's the wrong one. So the natural gas commodity price, I should say. So again, because we're going short on the weekly, we're going to primarily go short on the daily as well. So you can see there during this period, especially when it's short also on the daily there, you would have taken those short trades. So when it breaks below that zero lag indicator, you short it and you close it out when you get a break above the zero lag as well. That could have been a false break there. You wait for the zero lag indicator to turn up before, in this case, it turned down quite suddenly. That's why it's showing there a bit of inconsistency. But typically, you could have actually held it right down to here as well until you saw this break above on the zero lag as well. But if you had traded this on a day-by-day basis, you would have seen the zero lag break up. That's what's giving you the close signal before it gave you another big bearish candle on that particular day. Go short there and then closed it out again when it broke above, and the close was above the zero lag again there. So just another trading idea for your consideration. So just a bit of an economic outlook for natural gas. We've got storage levels to consider. While currently comfortable, significant withdrawals of winter heating could tighten supply later in the season. Some geopolitical concerns, ongoing tensions in Ukraine and potential disruptions to LNG exports could impact global supply and prices. And weather volatility, continued cold snaps could further push prices up, while milder temperatures could bring relief. So again, overall, the charts are bearish, and just watch for that divergence along those various charts, and hope you got some value out of the trading idea given on the daily chart today. So if you got value out of the video, hit that like and subscribe button, hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching, and see you in a future video.